Would you like to edit your images professionally without any effort? One click away from turning your everyday photos into amazing works of art. These 10 AI tools can help you edit like a wizard in no time, regardless of your level of experience or if you're a total beginner. Stay around then, since this will be your secret tool for easily producing amazing pictures. Number 1. Luminar Neo. Imagine if I told you there was a tool that modifies your images exactly as it knows what you want. Regarding photo editing driven by artificial intelligence, Luminar Neo is a powerhouse. The tool can quickly create amazing works of art from your pictures, with features like sky replacement, portrait retouching, and accent enhancement. The simplicity of usage adds even more wow value. Luminar Neo produces professional results without hours of editing, regardless of your level of experience or just starting ability. Imagine spending just a few minutes on an edit. Still, the result seems to have come from all day. This tool not only improves your pictures, but also makes the whole editing procedure seem quite easy. Hold on though, if you find this impressive, wait to see what comes next. You are about to find a tool that transforms simple into a whole new level, therefore enabling even the most difficult modifications to feel like nothing. Number 2. Photoshop AI-powered neural filters. Think Photoshop is meant solely for experts? What if I told you there was a method to attain professional level outcomes without the trouble? Professional photo editing has long been done with Photoshop, but everyone will find great difference from its AI-powered neural filters. With only a few clicks, these filters enable you to transform a portrait subject, adjust the lighting of a scene, or even totally change the visual appearance of an image. Here's where it becomes really intriguing. These are not little changes. We are discussing changes that can totally transform your images and provide artistic opportunities once only possible for professionals. And the best thing is that you can use them without being a Photoshop genius. Although strong enough for pros, the interface is simple for beginners. Though the following product on our list will blow your mind with how it automates your process even further, making difficult jobs seem shockingly simple, so avoid becoming overly comfortable. Number 3. Pixlr X. Imagine having a full-fledged photo editor as fast as it is powerful right within your browser. Sounds incredibly perfect to be authentic? Let's start here. Pixlr X is mostly about simplicity and speed without losing quality. For fast alterations on the job, this web-based picture editor is ideal. You simply open your browser to begin editing. You don't have to download anything. Designed to simplify your editing process, it is loaded with AI-powered capabilities, including color correction, one-click enhancements, and background removal. The interface is so easy that you will feel perfectly at home even if you have never modified a picture before. Its simplicity won't deceive you, though. Pixlr X produces results that can compete with more sophisticated desktop programs. The best thing is that this program helps you to accomplish it fast and effectively, not only about how nice your images seem. Now, if you felt this was useful, wait till you see how the next tool with almost zero effort perfects your photographs. Number 4. Photor. Imagine if I told you there was a tool available in only seconds to transform your casual photos into professional-looking ones. Photor tool is like having a personal photo editor right at hand to speed and simplify your editing process. Picture yourself having just snapped nearly flawless pictures. If just one click could solve it, that would be fantastic. That is precisely what Photor provides. This tool takes care of the labor by using AI-driven tools like background removal and beauty editing, therefore relieving you of stress. Have you ever desired to improve your pictures without investing hours adjusting each small detail? Photor covers it. This tool guarantees your images appear their finest with minimum effort, whether you are changing the lighting, improving colors, or using filters. For those who aspire for professional outcomes without the effort, it is ideal. But wait till you see how the next tool may unleash your imagination in ways you never thought possible before you consider this to be as fantastic as it gets. Number 5. Topaz Labs. Ever wonder how certain photographers get those ultra-nice detailed images? You will want to know about this next tool. It holds the secret. The hidden weapon of photographers demanding the best possible quality in their photographs is Topaz Labs. Have you ever snapped a picture on your phone that looked fantastic on your phone, only to discover it noisy or fuzzy on a larger screen? Topaz Labs has the answer. Using its AI-driven features, you may even upscale images without sacrificing clarity, improve picture sharpness, and lower noise. Sounds like magic, right? Imagine changing a low-resolution, fuzzy picture into something that resembles what was captured with top-of-the-line equipment. That is Topaz Labs' power, using Sharpen AI, Denoise AI, Gigapixel AI, or another tool. You may improve your images in ways you would never have believed possible. Simple and clear design makes the interface easily accessible even for non-technical users. And the next tool will fundamentally change your perspective on photo editing, just when you believe things cannot get better. Number 6. Canva Pro. With a tool as basic as dragging and dropping, could you build breathtaking professional-level changes and designs? More than simply a picture editor, Canva Pro is a complete design suite ideal for novice and the experienced. Have you ever desired a tool that would manage all of your creative demands in one spot? That is Canva Pro. Its simple drag-and-drop interface lets you quickly produce everything from whole presentations to social media graphics. But how about photo editing? With just a few clicks, Canva Pro's AI-powered features make it remarkably simple to improve images, remove backgrounds, and apply effects. Ever wonder why designers create their graphics so perfectly? You may accomplish this as well without design knowledge with Canva Pro. Anyone who wishes to rapidly produce professional-looking photos will find it ideal. And if this seems amazing, wait till you learn about the next tool. It will totally transform your attitude about photo retouching. Number 7. Retouch Me. Imagine only a tap on your phone allowing you to get the best of your pictures. Sounds unrealistic? Allow me to expose you to a tool enabling this reality. Your first choice for excellent photo retouching on demand is Retouch Me. Have you ever quickly snapped a selfie only to find later that it might use some touch-up? Retouch Me has your back. The tool employs artificial intelligence to make your changes look natural and professional, whether your goals are to lose weight, clear blemishes, or add some muscular definition. The best thing is that you could accomplish everything from your smartphone. Simply upload your picture, choose the edits you wish, and let the program handle the rest. It's like having a professional retoucher right at your hands, always ready to edit your images anywhere, anyhow. It is incredible how easily high-quality editing is available because of this tool. But avoid becoming very comfortable, since the next tool will revolutionize your mobile editing game. Number 8. Aurora HDR. With a few adjustments, you may grab breathtaking high dynamic range photos. Aurora HDR is ideal for this. Powerful tool Aurora HDR is meant to improve your images with amazing color and detail. Have you ever shot a picture where the shadows and brightness simply didn't seem to mix together? Using cutting-edge artificial intelligence, Aurora HDR combines several exposures to balance bright and dark areas to create remarkably brilliant photographs. For landscape and architectural photography, where capturing the whole range of light might be difficult, the tool is perfect for this. Still, there's another tool that provides even more versatility and customizing for your photo adjustments. Number 9. On-One Photo Raw. Imagine being able to receive, in one complete tool, all the sophisticated editing tools you require. You have On-One Photo Raw. One flexible photo editing program that combines a strong collection of capabilities into one package is On-One Photo Raw. Have you ever craved for a one-stop shop, combining the finest aspects of several editing applications? From non-destructive editing and powerful masking to layers and creative effects, On-One Photo Raw provides that. The AI-powered tools let you easily change exposure, color, and sharpness, hence simplifying difficult procedures. It's meant for individuals who wish strong editing powers without juggling several tools. But the next tool will surprise you with its original method of photo enhancement, just when you believe you have considered all the alternatives. Number 10. Be Funky. Imagine doing photo editing, graphic design, and collage building all with one tool. Be Funky is ready to enable that. Be Funky combines graphic design and collage making with photo editing. Have you ever wanted one tool that could do everything, improve your images, make striking graphics, and create gorgeous collages? With this AI-powered tool, it's simplify and produce satisfying editing. Be Funky's easy interface helps you create collages, build social media visuals, or enhance photo quality. After examining the top 10 artificial intelligence photo editing tools, which one will you choose to improve your picture game? Are you prepared to level up your picture editing game? Get in there with one of these tools and see your pictures magically change. Join our community and subscribe for more tech advice and creative inspiration if you've enjoyed our overview of the top picture editing tools. See you later, folks who are passionate about taking pictures.